Cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems split up the work in a way that ensures the survival of the body as a whole and exhibit division of labor. A tissue is defined as a group of cells along with intercellular substances performing one or more functions in the body. Epithelia are sheet-like tissues lining the body's surface and its cavities, ducts, and tubes. Epithelia have one free surface facing a body and fluid over the outside environment. Their cells are structurally and functionally connected at junctions. Diverse types of connective tissues bind together, support, strengthen, protect, and insulate other tissues in the body. Soft connective tissue consists of protein fibers as well as a variety of cells arranged in a ground substance. Cartilage, bone, blood, and adipose tissue are specialized connective tissues. Cartilage and bone are both structured materials. Blood is a fluid tissue with transport functions. Adipose tissue is a reservoir of stored energy. Muscle tissue, which can contract, shorten in response to stimulation, helps in movement of the body and specific body parts. Meet Eugene India. Skeletal muscle is a muscle tissue attached to bones. Smooth muscle is a component of internal organs. Cardiac muscle makes up the contractile walls of the heart. Connective tissue covers all three types of tissues. Nervous tissue exerts greatest control over the response of body. Neurons are the basic units of nervous tissue. Earthworm, cockroach, and frog show characteristic features in body organization. In Pheretima posthuma, earthworm, the body is covered by cuticle. All segments of its body are alike except the 14th, 15th, and 16th segment, which are thin, dark and glandular, forming clitellum. A ring of S-shaped chitinous setae is found in each segment. This setae helps in locomotion. On the ventral side, spermathecal openings are present in between the grooves of 5 and 6, 6 and 7, 7 and 8, 8 and 9 segments. Female genital pores are present on 14 segments and male genital pores are on 18 segment. The alimentary canal is a narrow tube made of mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, gizzard, stomach, intestine, and anus. The blood vascular system is of closed type with heart and valves. Nervous system is represented by ventral nerve cord. Earthworm is hermaphrodite. Two pairs of testes occur in the 10th and 11th segment, respectively. A pair of ovaries are present on 12th and 13th intersegmental septum. It is a post-centrous animal with cross fertilization. Fertilization and development take place in cocoon secreted by the glands of clitellum. The body of cockroach Periplaneta americana is covered by chitinous exoskeleton. It is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. Segment bears jointed appendages. There are 3 segments of thorax, each bearing a pair of walking legs. 2 pair of wings are present, one pair each on second and third segment. There are 10 segments in abdomen. Alimentary canal is well developed with a mouth surrounded by mouth parts. A pharynx, esophagus, crop, gizzard, midgut, hindgut, and anus. Hepatic caecae are present at the junction of foregut and midgut. Malpighian tubules are present at the junction of midgut and hindgut and help in excretion. A pair of salivary glands is present in crop. The blood vascular system is of open type. Respiration takes place by a network of tracheae. Trachea opens outside with spiracles. Nervous system is represented by segmentally arranged ganglia and ventral nerve cord. A pair of testes is present in 4 to 6 segments and ovaries in 2nd to 6 segments. Fertilization is internal. Female produces 9 to 10 ootheca, pairing developing embryos. After rupturing of single ootheca, 16 young ones called nymphs come out. The Indian bullfrog Rana tigrina is the common frog found in India. Body is covered by skin. Mucous glands are present in the skin, which is highly vascularized and helps in respiration in water and on land. Body is divisible into head and trunk. A muscular tongue is present. which is bilobed at the tip and is used in capturing the prey. The alimentary canal consists of esophagus, stomach, intestine, and rectum, which open into the cloaca. The main digestive glands are liver and pancreas. It can respire in water through skin and through lungs on land. Circulatory system is closed with single circulation. RBCs are nucleated. Nervous system is organized into central, peripheral, and autonomic. The organs of urinogenital system are kidneys and urinogenital ducts, which opens into the cloaca. The male reproductive organ is a pair of testes. The female reproductive organ is a pair of ovaries. A female lays 2,500 to 3,000 ova at a time. The fertilization and development are external. The eggs hatch into tadpoles, which metamorphose into frogs.